San Luis Aurora, an elementary teacher is dead after the snake, phi. Cobra, inside the classroom itself in this town. The victim was Ma'am Riza Laureano, 49, a 49-year-old Bacong Elementary School resident of the village San Jose in the area. His sister Miss Iya Baitong's sister's story of her older sister's left hand was covered with curtains as she walked out of the classroom comfort room. The victim was taken to the hospital immediately, but nearly 3 hours later the victim passed away. The victim's family is deeply saddened by the alleged lack of anti-venom medicine in the hospitals. Ma'am Riza's younger brother appealed that he hoped the alleged problem and lack of treatment suggests that Aurora was one of the mountains provincial authorities have been hosted by different types of snakes, so it is important to have anti-venom medicine to prevent a similar incident. Philippine cobra. People bitten by a neurotoxic snake can die in less than an hour. Filipino experts claim the only snake in the Philippines that contains a neurotoxic venom is the notorious Philippine cobra, Naja philippinensis, a notorious species of spitting cobras. There are 3 species of spitting cobras that are native to the Philippines. 1. The equatorial spitting cobra. 2. The southeastern Philippine cobra, and 3. The northern Philippine cobra, known also as the Philippine cobra. This breathtaking snake, according to countless online sources, is the 3rd most dangerous snake in the world, and the deadliest cobra on the planet. It can spit venom to amazingly long distances, even reaching 9.8 feet, 3 meters. And it hits targets dead on. These deadly snakes are native to the northern parts of the Philippines, mainly the islands of Luzon, Mindoro, Catanduanes, and Masbate. Like many other snake species, this deadly cobra prefers to live in close proximity to water sources, be it lakes, rivers, or ponds. It will mostly eat a menu consisting of frogs, mice, small rats and lizards, or even other snakes. Its predators are the famous mongoose, birds, humans of course, and even his mighty relative, the king cobra. Among all cobra species, toxicological experts claim that Philippine cobra possess one of the most toxic venoms. One bite from these deadly sniper-spitting cobras can kill a person within half an hour. Their venom has the deadly ability to interrupt the transmission of nerve signals and to cripple respiratory systems. Only the Caspian cobras, Naja oxyana, are known to produce a more powerful venom than that of the Filipino species. Snake bites by the Philippine cobra is a common cause of death among rice farmers in this tropical country. According to a research by the U.S. Naval Medical Research Unit, the death rate from cobra's bites was estimated to be as high as 107.1 deaths per 100,000 per year at one site. Approximately 98% of the research victims were males, and only 8% of them reached a hospital. Are cobras aggressive? Most cobras are shy, and will usually run and hide when people are around. The exception is king cobra, who is aggressive and will rear up and stand his ground when confronted. What unique power do they have? This is one of those supernatural cobra facts that always amazes me. Cobras are the only snake in the world that can spit their venom, and they are accurate up to about half their own length. Can they see? Cobras are not blind, in fact they see very well even at night. However, eyesight is not their only great sense. How well can they smell? Cobras have a Jacobson's organ, like most snakes, that gives them super smelling ability. They can sense tiny changes in temperature, which helps them track their prey at night. Can they hear? Cobras can hear, although they sense sound through contact with the ground much better than humans. How heavy are cobras? They vary in weight, depending on species, from only a few ounces for a typical African ring hals, to 35 pounds for a large king. How powerful is their venom? Cobra's venom is not the strongest there is, but cobras can inject so much venom in a single bite that they can kill an elephant. Sea snakes have deadlier venom, and rattlesnakes have weaker venom. Anyway, if you plan to be around venomous snakes, always have a snake bite first aid kit. Are they poisonous? Cobras are not poisonous, they are venomous. This means that even though they have deadly venom in their sacs, the rest of the snake is edible to predators, if they are brave enough to try. What is the cobra hood made of? As cobras grow bigger, their beautiful hood becomes a spectacle, but how does it work? Well, a cobra's hood is created by the extension of the ribs behind the snake's head. It is primarily used to make the cobra appear bigger and scarier. This amazing hood contains loose skin which the cobra can inflate with air from his lungs, expanding the movable ribs. Purified cobra antivenom, PCAV.